Yeah, we're here today about waste reduction, but we're also here about slowing down and the idea of people, we can come together and we can fix things and we can extend the life and we can make a difference and help each other and learn from each other and not just, oh, it's not working, let's go out and buy another one and throw it in the plastic bin.
First off, International Repair Cafe says that about 70% of fixes is what you're shooting for. So that's sort of average. I think last time we had like a 90-something repair rate, so you guys are just more awesome than average.
I just wanted to know if we have time for a quick go around. Say names, what you're here for, things you can offer. So I'm Fake, I'm the triage person. I'll be connecting participants to volunteers.
I'm Ben, I just general maintenance, general repairs.
I'm Jason, I got lots of power tools, that's probably other people don't.
I'm John, general repairs, mostly non-electrical. I've got dental tools, so...
Oh, it's got Philly. I'm David, general repairs. I'm pretty set up for lamps, you know, so we get a lot of lamps usually, don't we?
I'm David. I was fixing a lot of lamps the last time. I do general appliances.
Omar, likewise, appliances.
Brian, a woodworker and a sharpener.
I'm Bo. I do general repairs and electronics. Bought a ridiculous screwdriver and a Geiger counter.
I'm Osprey. I like disassembly things. I like also electronics, software, mechanicals. So.
Hi, I'm Gary. Do mostly electrical, but I can do general repairs.
My name is Celeste and I offer leatherwork repair. I also brought my darning supplies and I have an anvil if anybody needs it.
I'm Bob, bike repair.
Luke, bike repair.
Steve, bike repair.
Same here, Simon.
Hi, I'm Bev. I do ordinary general things with a sewing machine.
Hi, I'm Marianne Allen, and I taught home ec for 40 years, so I love teaching people how to sew, so I hope to pass on what I can to whoever I'm helping.
Hi, I'm Mariel, and I do general repairs on fabric, plus I do upholstery kind of things. And I'm a retired surgeon and a veterinarian, so if you are a man or animal and you need stitching up, you guys can start. I'm a lady.
Okay, and
you're in a bag.
Have fun.
Sorry about that. Enjoy the
Okay, I think we're good.
It's okay, it's going all right so far, Natasha. Well, we think so, eh? Now I gotta feed it through. I need Jane's help here to help me.
And you've got this type, which actually threads in. But you only had one, oddly enough.
You can put a new chain on there, but good chances it's going to be gonna need to replace your set as well.
He fixed my lamp, a lamp that I desperately need because I like really bright light to read on, and it was the only one I could find that would go to 150. And he fixed it.
We just got to put it back together now. But we know it works.
That's good. Yeah. It's 4 rivets and away we go. Just 4 of these.
Had this belt for 5 years and it just fell apart, and now I have it again.
It'll last a lifetime now.
It's great.
Yay! We just got to do the other side now.
There's another pocket needs fixing as well. The button will need a different kind of button.
You are so fabulous. Thank you so much. We're a lot of really happy, excited people, and I can't tell you how many people said, I learned a bunch of things. I'm so inspired. I want to come and learn what these people know. When's the next one? How do I get involved? I made a new friend. No, I didn't get it fixed, but I had such a great time. So thank you so much to all of you. Like we said, we're trying to keep things out of the landfill. We're trying to keep things from everybody from having to go out and buy it new again. And we're trying to just take care of each other right here on Salt Spring Island.